In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make images move in CapCut, a fantastic app that makes it easy to create engaging videos with dynamic visuals. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to spice up your projects, I'll walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have all the tips and tricks you need to succeed. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Once you've opened it, you'll want to tap on the option labeled Create New. This sets the groundwork for your new project and brings up your workspace where all the magic happens. Next, you'll need to add the images you want to animate. Tap on the section marked Click to Upload. Here, you can select the images you'd like to bring to life. Once you've picked your images, simply drag them down to the timeline at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll arrange and edit your images to start creating your animation. Now, let's add some movement to your images. Tap directly on the image you've placed on the timeline. This action will open up editing options specifically for that image, providing you with various tools and features to enhance your project. On the left-hand panel, you will see an option called Animation. Tap on it to access a list of animated effects you can apply to your image. Animation is divided into 3 categories: In, Out, and Combo. These options allow you to customize how your image enters, exits, and behaves in the video. First, let's focus on the entry animation. Choose the option labeled In to look through a variety of entry animations. Select one that suits the mood and style of your video. Once you've found the perfect animation, simply click on it to apply. Next, it's time to add an exit animation to your image to ensure it transitions smoothly out of the frame. Tap Out and browse through the exit animations available. Just as with the entry animation, select the one that fits best and click to apply it. If you want your image to have continuous movement while it's on screen, you can achieve this with the combo animations. Tap on Combo to explore the looped animations available. These effects are designed to give your image fluid motion throughout its appearance in your video. Once you've made your choice, click on it to set this animation. After applying your animations, it's a good idea to preview your work. Click the play button to see your image come to life. This allows you to make any necessary adjustments before finalizing your project. Once you're happy with everything, the last step is to save your work. Click Export. Located at the top right corner of the screen. This will save your animated masterpiece, ready for you to share with the world. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to make images move in CapCut. With these techniques, you can create dynamic and eye-catching videos that captivate your audience. Enjoy experimenting and happy editing!